Hi, I'm Anna. I'm a first-year student studying philosophy and psychology. Currently, I'm staying at Dagfa House, which is just outside University Park campus. Let me show you around. Dagfa House is in Beeston. It's a short walk from University Park campus, and it's perfect if you want to be more independent at uni. As part of staying here, you also get free access to all of the sports facilities, including the David Ross Sports Village. This is my bedroom. It's a townhouse standard. I've got a small double bed, a desk and a chair, and a wardrobe. If you want your own bathroom, you can choose between an ensuite or a studio. Studios will come with their own kitchenette, while ensuites have a shared kitchen. I share with one other person, and it's a lot larger than an ensuite. The standard and ensuite rooms are in the newly built areas, whereas the studios are located in the original building. As the studios are in the original building, all of the rooms are various sizes. Regardless of which room type you choose, they are all a great size and come with a really comfy bed, large desk, plenty of storage space, mirror and Wi-Fi. This is my kitchen, which I share with the rest of the people in my flat. It's got 3 ovens, 2 fridges and a seating area. There's plenty of cupboard space and it's quite a big kitchen overall. Dagfa House is one of the few accommodations at Nottingham that's self-catered, so if you enjoy cooking for yourself and potentially friends, then it's great for you. If you've got any questions or concerns, you can come to the welcome point and the staff will help you. This is the common room. It's great when relaxing with friends or if you want a break from your studies. For something else, this is the games room. We've got table football and pool. And through here, we've got another place to chill with friends. We've got a TV, an arcade, and some more study spaces. If you want to get into the city, you can take a bus or a tram, and both are a short distance from Dagfa House.
The residential experience team, known as ResX, support your well-being while you live with us in halls. There are lots of activities to join in with, which are great fun, and the team are always on hand if you have any worries about living away from home.
Well, hopefully that's given you a good overview of what it's like here. I really get along with everyone here, and you will too.